So we made a video recently about being able to go into Gemini and create files that could be downloaded or moved to your Google Drive. And you come into Gemini and then you can give it a pretty straightforward prompt and tell it what kind of file you want. And then it would create these downloadable assets, or it would, again, send them to your Google Drive. The thing that was left out of that video was the list of all the different file types you can create. And that's been kind of the question since the video. So I wanted to make this quick video to just give you the full list of at least what Google is saying Gemini supports today, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow. So let me switch over to the whiteboard and go through the list. Okay, so we start with, I don't know if it's obvious or not, but I think it's obvious. So Google Workspace Files. So that includes docs, sheets, and slides. And when you generate these, they will by default save them to your My Drive. And then moving on, you can do a .pdf, which is a portable document format. You can do a docx, which is a Microsoft Word document. You can do xlsx, which is Microsoft Excel. You can do a .csv, which is comma separated value, just a type of text file. You can do LaTeX. You can do .txt, which is just a plain text file. You can do a .rtf, which is rich text format. And you can do a .md, which is a Markdown file. And again, you just go to gemini.google.com and you tell it what kind of file you want, and you tell it what you want in the file. I recommend giving it a name for the file. You can rename the files later, but it just saves you some time. And then it will generate your files. Again, depending on which type of file it is, if it's one of the Google Workspace files, it will just save it right to your drive. If it's one of the other files, it will put it on here so that you can download it. And then you can go. Again, we have a whole video about just going through that whole process. So if you haven't seen that video or you don't really know how it works, I recommend watching that video, and then you're fully up to speed. So hopefully that's helpful, and we'll see you next time.